Hey beautiful people, today I have the Ipsy for the month of June. Last month I messed up and said the wrong month. This month I'm on it. Anyways, let's jump into it. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe if you like beauty fashion videos. And also I do have social media down below. They do send me this for review purpose, so I do have an affiliate link with them. Let's go ahead and jump in and first get into the Glam bag. I did kind of get a little peek into these to see if I was gonna do a try on, and there just wasn't enough products to do try-ons with, so that's why I'm just gonna do an unboxing. This month's theme is sunny days ahead. Of course, we're now in summer, and the bag is super cute. It kind of reminds me of like a beach bag. The material is kind of like that foamy material, almost like the kind of bag that you could use for products that are wet. Not that you could really fit a swimsuit in here unless it's like, I don't know, a mini swimsuit, but it is super, super cute. I love these little bags. I use them a lot to give friends products or do little gifts. I just feel like they're just so cute. What the hell do I have on there? Is that mascara? It is. Oh my God, I'm a hot mess. Okay, now that I've cleaned that off, let's go ahead and jump into it. First thing in here is Frank Body Rose Hip Body Scrub and Cleanser. This is a 2-in-1 melting body scrub. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that because I am going on vacation. Well, you know what? I hardly use body scrub on vacation. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells like straight up roses. I will use this one. I actually got, back in the day, they sent one that was coffee, and my mom has used it and she says it becomes like a hot mess. So I do prefer that it is kind of already, it has some kind of moisturizing factor in here with the scrub, so it's not just like loose, what are those called, like granules, which the coffee one was. And my mom says it's actually really good. I don't like the smell of coffee. It makes me nauseous, but Frank Body does have one that is coffee that we've received previously in boxes. I remember it was like a huge bag, and I can't get these little things to come off of it, so I'll try to get some scissors and cut that off. But this is a nice little travel size. I'll use it in my bath. And then we have, what are you? This is the Wonder Tony Moly Ceramide Mochi Toner. This has ceramides and it is supposed to give you very moisturized skin. I like Tony Moly. God, say that 3 times. Tony Moly is a Korean brand, and I have tested out quite a few products of his back in the day. I haven't really bought anything recently, but I do really like their brand. It is made in Korea, like I said, and Korea is known for how amazing and great their skincare is, and so I will be trying this out. This is a great little travel one. I don't know how many ounces this is. Okay, it's 1.69, so you can even travel with this. It's allowed because it has to be under, I want to say like 3 ounces if you're going to travel, but I will be testing this out. Next we have Innisfree, and this is a green tea enzyme vitamin C brightening serum. It's a little travel one as well. That's what I like about the Ipsy ones, because that way you can either test something out, see if it's for you, or basically travel with it as well. And I'm going to be keeping these. I'm going to be traveling soon, and this is going to be perfect for me to put into my bags and be able to have something mini as far as like skincare goes. So these will be going with me, and then I'll be testing them out. Next we have the Benefit Plush Tint Moisturizing Matte Lip Tint. Ooh, I really wanted to test these out. I actually wanted the dewy ones. It's actually in my Sephora cart. This is in the shade Cream Puff. It's like a mini version of these new lip products. I've been really wanting to try the dewy ones just because they look so beautiful. Oh, this is such a pretty shade. It's a peachy nude, and the shade is Cream Puff, so it's a little mini, and I will test it out and maybe even take it with me on my travels as well. I love tiny little versions of stuff. I'm like that way with perfumes as well. Like I prefer having a mini perfume than like a full bottle. And then last in here is Formula Z. I want to say Formula Z is part of Morphe. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is a cute little palette. It's more of something that I already have, and that's the reason that I didn't want to do a try on with it. It's just like a cute little neutral palette. It has one little green in there, a peach in there. Really cute, but if you guys are watching my palettes of the month, you know I am close to 200 palettes. I'm really trying to bring it down, and I know I won't be giving so much use. I won't give this as much use as I should. It's going to, you know, just basically waste away, and I will be giving this away probably to someone who can get some benefit from it. This is a cute little bag. I feel like everything in here is things that I like, especially these 4 products, the skincare and then the new benefit. This is a really good glam bag. I think most people would be happy with it. I don't know, because everything's going to depend on how many products you have at home, what you like, if you like more skincare, makeup, etc. But really, really cute. And let's go ahead and jump into the base box. Oh, something shifted around in there. I hope I didn't break anything. Let's go ahead and jump in, and we have the little pamphlet, which has been nice to see, because not only does it have some of the prices of the products that are in here, but also it gives you a sneak peek into next month's. First things first, let's see if any of my products are in here. Ooh, okay, first is First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen. Y'all know I love me a good sunscreen. Like, I can reach over here and pull probably like 3 or 4 sunscreens. I have just always a excessive amount of sunscreen because I use it on a daily basis. Sunscreen is so essential. It's gonna keep you free from like burning your skin. It's gonna help against skin cancer. It's going to help because the sun is like your worst enemy with aging. So it's one of the things that I highly recommend is always using SPF. And this one is SPF 30. I will be keeping this, and I do really enjoy First Aid Beauty. I've tried quite a few of their products and enjoy them. And it's in a nice little pump. Let's see what you smell like. It is really white. I don't know if it'll have a white cast or not. Even though, to be honest, when I'm out in the sun, I really don't care. It does have quite a bit of a white cast. It does come out like quite a bit, and it's dewy. It has a very subtle SPF smell, not overly powerful like a lot of these other ones. And this is dermatologist tested, no artificial fragrance, non-comedogenic, and it's hydration and sun protection in one. So really, really like. I would have to see if I could wear this underneath makeup because I'm very selective of which ones I wear under makeup. And this is worth $32. Next we have this, the Lifestyle Align, and I'm not sure what you are. What are you? It says, oh, I think it's a perfume. It says blending notes. Yes! So it has apple, bergamot, violet, cedar, amber, sandalwood, and vivitar. I've really been into scents. I blame Alicia Budget Beauty. I'll put her channel down below. But I really want to get more into scents. Let me know what you guys think. I'm trying to like learn more about like what the notes mean, like the top notes, the middle notes, and more about them. I'm trying to get this to spray, and it just is blinging. Oh, okay, there you go. I also heard that you're not supposed to rub, that influences it. I could definitely smell the apple right away, so that's probably like one of the top notes. Oh, this smells so good. I've never heard of this brand, the Lifestyle Co., but the name of the perfume is Align, and it's very fruity with some of those flowery notes. Yeah, the main thing, now that it's starting to dry down, I can really smell like the violet and the sandalwood. Really nice. I am always down for a good perfume, so really a great one there. I don't see the price point of that on here, so I'm not sure where it's at. Next we have the I Defy Half Caked mascara. Ooh, I really like Half Caked. A few of their products have been duds, but the majority of them have been really, really great products. I won't be opening this up because I don't like opening a mascara until I'm going to use it, just because you're putting air and bacteria in there. So it's better to just open it when you're going to use it. And right now, like, my drawer of mascaras is like, look at that. Look, I already have one unopened up, one down there, so this one will be as a backup back there as well. But really, really nice. I do like Half Caked makeup, and so that's a great one. I don't have the price point of that one on here as well. Next we have TFB, Trust Fund Beauty. I really enjoy their lip products. Where is it? Oh, this one. Look, you can see I've used the crap out of this and I really enjoy it. This is their lip oil. It's called Better Than Therapy, and this one is called Lipgasm Lipstick Birthday Suit. That is a mouthful, but let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Ooh. Oh, that's a really nice, sleek packaging. Very, very simple. It says just TFB there on the side. And, oh, okay, so the type of lipstick is called Lipgasm lipstick, and the shade is Birthday Suit. I'm thinking it's going to be a nude because usually, oh yeah. Oh, that's a pretty, pretty nude. Let's go ahead and swatch it. And it is a light peachy nude, perfect for every day. Very, very beautiful. It's not magnetic, it just kind of like closes on its own, because some of them have magnets and you can feel it when it closes, but this one is not. And I also don't have the price point, so if I can find the price points, I'll try to leave them down below. And then last we have one of my favorite brands ever, Glow Recipe. Really great skincare. This is the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. I have yet to try, no, I did. I tried their Blueberry Cleanser, but I haven't tried this one. And this is a cleanser that has ceramides, pre and postbiotics, probiotics, colloidal oatmeal, avocado oil, and gentle makeup removing agents that are used in baby washes. And basically you're supposed to wash your skin with this on a daily basis. It is created for all skin types. It seems like this is very geared towards normal to dry skin, just because it does have like the oatmeal and ceramides, which are more moisturizing properties. But we'll be giving it a go. I love a good skincare, especially from brands that I enjoy. I'm trying to smell. I'll see if I can smell anything, but it doesn't seem like it has, I don't know, it kind of has like a little bit of a clean smell to it, not too much. We will see, but I will be testing this baby out. And yeah, that is all for the base box. I want to say this month was good. I'm actually very happy. I know there's not that much makeup in here. There's just like little tidbits. It's mainly skincare, but I feel like for summer, I'm not someone who wears as much makeup, even though I look like, you know, overly done today, but I am filming. I feel like during the summer, I'm more SPF, powder foundations. I wear like tinted moisturizers. I don't wear anything like way too heavy, because you know, it's hot. You don't want to feel like you're melting, like you're like the Wicked Witch. And this box was really, really good. We had brands that I love. First Aid Beauty, the Glow Recipe, the Trust Fund Beauty. What else was in here? Oh, the mascara from Half Caked. And I want to say I'm forgetting one product. Where are you? Oh, and the perfume. So this is a good variation. I'm really, really happy. There's not one thing in here that I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna give that away. On the contrary, the Ipsy Glam bag, there's one product in here that I don't think I'm gonna use, which is the palette, but everything in here I will be keeping. And that's how I can notice, like, if it's a really good box, is like, I want to try it, I want to keep it, I don't have like duplicates, or you know, it's a lot of things that I'm like, yeah, I'm pumped up for. So this month was really, really good. Let me know your variation, what your choices were. Are you happy? Are you not happy? I'd love to hear from you down below. I love chit-chatting with you guys below. Thank you you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, it's completely free. And all you have to do is hit that little red button. You can hit the little bell for notifications for when I upload. I have social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.